Hello, hi, so it's Amanda from Creative Pouring. I've just done a pour, so I've just prepped this little canvas. I think it's about 12 by, I don't know, 12 by 8 centimetres, something like that. Looks what it says. Oh, 9 by 12, there you go, but not far off. Right, I'm just going to splash a load of white over this, and then I've got this cup of paint. I'm just going to pour it all over, but I'm just going to stick this on first, which is just some pre-made sort of thin white that I keep on hand just for occasions like this. So I'm just going to stick that on there. Where's my spatula? Just do a quick, doesn't have to be perfect, but just a little to give it some surface. Oh, I don't want that, do we? Okay. Okie dokie, and I'm going to just quickly scrape this up and put it in the cup. Like that. Let's see what we can get. It might be mud, hopefully it's not. Okay, that's as much as I think I want to get. Okay, there's some in there as well for the cup. Let's just get that in there. I suppose you could call this a double dirty pour. And I'm just going to stick it like that. And then I'm just going to flip and lip, I think. I'll start wiping those off. The colours were black, white, red, just plain primary red, primary blue, and some gold. And I've just done a pour I've just put over there, but that was left in the cup. So let's just see what we can do with this. Just going to move it to there and then flip and lip that. Yeah, it's gone a bit poo, but it's got lots of cells there. Okay, let's just see what we can do. There might be some cells that come off through the white, so I'm just going to chip all this off first, and then we'll see what we have. We might get some nice cells, or we might not. Let's see what we've got, shall we? Let's just pour this through. Some gold coming through. Okay. Right, so it's either really horrible and muddy, or we can get some nice cells. So I think I'm just going to go for it with this, just to see what we can get. Let's just do that first. See if anything pops up. See, something's coming up. I think I just need to give this a good old some sellage. Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? Okay, think this just needs, because it's muddy, I'm just going to give it a good old torch just to see, because I think that's where the interest will come in something like this where it's gone a bit muddy. The cells with the paint will come and make it a little bit different. So let's just sit that. I quite like to keep this corner, it's nice. So I think if I'm going to open these cells up, I'm going to just tip it off that way. I'd quite like to leave these beautiful cells here, stretch them open, keep that white bit there and that white corner. I like that. Oh, there you go, for a little bit of cup of mud. It's not too bad at all. Quite muted, because that's that red and the blue and the black mixing together. Okay, so it's growing and growing. So I'm just going to tip off that way, I think. It's only a little baby canvas, so I'm not too worried about wasting too much paint, but I'd quite like to open that white bit at the top. Okay, little darling, go off there, thank you. A bit more. They never want to go off the edge, do they? Bring it back, bring it back. And I'm going to go to this corner here and just tip it off. I'd quite like to keep that white on the end. Okay, bring that back. Oh, it's bringing some nice blue open now. Okay, so I might just open that bit off. Oh, I don't want to make them too wobbly. Okay, I think I might leave it there. Et voila! I really like that white bit there and those little cells. Yeah, that's pretty for X mud. I'm not unhappy with that. There you go. So I should just double check my corners like that one there, and we shall let that one dry. Hurrah! 2 in 1 day. Can you see that? Quite happy with that. Okay, that's Amanda. I might just put this on the end of the other video because it wasn't too long. Anyway, that's Amanda, over and out. Have a good day. Bye.